Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Super simple to do. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we do sell full size, we even carry trucks and SUVs from time to time. So let us know what you're looking for, let us help you find it if we don't already have it. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 55 inches of headroom coming inside the van. Then you got about 56 inside the van. Now, where that center console is, it does stick down to about 2 or 3 inches. So do your math there. You got about 53 to 54 inches in there. This is the deep cut. We'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. And it's got the 8 tie down points for the 2 wheelchairs. Upgraded Q strengths. We throw those in at no charge to you. Now, a lot of our competitors, they sell vans with 0 tie downs. You got to pay extra to get them, or they sell the vans with the crummy tie downs. You got to upgrade to the nice ones. We throw the nice ones in for you off the bat, no additional charge. We can also put a third row flip base seat in here. They'll flip down when it's in use, flip up when it's not in use. Can hold up to 6 people at a time, plus a wheelchair in this van. We got the second row of seats, have about 21 inches of room between them. If you want the seats to flip up on their side, we can add those to the van. So let me know your measurements. Let me know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. It's got the Q-strength tie downs and warranty information there. All your rear air controls. Real nice center console there. Got your dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. You got cup holders for your second row here. Cup holders for people up front. All the plugs for your electronics. It's even got the heated steering wheel and heated seats, dual climate control, and GPS, the navigation, backup camera. You can sync up your phone. And of course, you can do all the power sliding doors up there from the top console as well. One thing I like about these GTs, they got this little plug back here. So if you need to charge your power chair, you've got a portable oxygen concentrator, you know, anything like that that might need a plug to be charged, this van's built in with it. Super neat feature. So when you're done, come back out, reverse the process. Super simple to do. One finger, clamp it down, and you are ready to roll. You can also shut all the doors just like so. As I do a walk around to this van, it's got the tinted windows, it's got the nice looking alloy wheels. This has got Michelin tires on it. All 4 Michelin tires, nice name brand tires. You know, some average signs, just a little scuff there in the paint. I don't even know if you can pick that up. You probably wouldn't even notice it if I didn't tell you about it, but I hope you can tell in my videos. I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. And it's got the, all the tires have between 8 and 9 30-seconds of tread. So it's not quite brand new, but it's sure not far from it. And all, like I said, all 4 matching Michelins, a lot of tread left on those tires. So tires shouldn't be a problem for quite some time. And that's one advantage of buying from us. So I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I'm the owner of this company. You know, these are my funds. I'm not some employee out just clicking buy on every vehicle I see to meet a quota. I put my name on every single one of these, and each one of these is important to me, and it means something to me. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number, not just a picture, a video. Why I say that? There are so many scams going on out there with vans and vehicles. What a lot of the people are doing, they're taking pictures of my vans, for example. They're cutting out our Mobility 316 at the top, and they're literally selling my vans on the internet for, you know, putting this van online for $15,000. Obviously way too good to be true. Trying to get you to send a deposit to hold that van. Sorry about that, I got a phone call. But my point is, if someone's online, they're selling one of our vans, or any van, you say to them, I want a picture, a video of the VIN number, and I want you to say your name and who you're with. I'm Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility 316. Here's the VIN number. This van is in my possession. These people on the internet, the scammers, they won't be able to do that because they don't have these vans in their possession. They're simply pulling pictures off the internet and trying to scam people. So no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video like I just did with their name in it and the video of the VIN. Okay, what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see this vehicle has 3 previous owners. Does show an accident. It wasn't major. I'm about to show that to you. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate and no open recalls. Now, as we scroll down, I'm going to show you that accident had. It shows April of 2019, so almost 5 years ago. Vehicle involved in a side swipe collision. So probably, someone brushed up against them in a parking lot, or possibly, bumped them. As the Carfax showed, airbags didn't go off. There was no frame damage. So I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had, a door painted or fender painted or something like that. Not a big deal to me. But yeah, I don't buy the frame damage. I don't buy the rebuilders and the airbags and all that stuff. So just so you know, I've looked over this van, and that's why we bought it. No matter who you do business with, look them up on online, find out the reputation and reviews. Check us out. We've been on eBay since 2004, almost 20 years, 1,538 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Check out their reviews and ratings and make sure they are a real company. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I have people all the time. They tell me how they bought from a private individual, someone you know nothing about, no reputation, no reviews. They end up buying a stolen vehicle, for example. Yes, people are out there selling stolen vehicles. When the police catch up to that vehicle, the buyer has to give the vehicle back, and they do not get their money back. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers that's got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews here instead of the 4.8 like we have. And they end up getting a vehicle with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage, major mechanical issues, So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vehicles, deal with the general public and those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. Another great feature, it has the remote start. So you hit that start button twice, and whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's the middle of winter and you want to come out and have that heated seats, heated steering wheel, and all defrosted, ready to go, you've got that option. We've got the one main key. We have the little auxiliary key there, so it's got the 2 keys with it. As I enter this van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. It's got the dual power seats, black leather, very clean. The seats work as obviously as you can see. Nice clean interior. And say you're a business and you want to turn these doors manual, touch of a button right there, very simple. Doors open and shut quickly. Time is money when you're running a business. And it's showing you the interior back here, also very clean. Showing you a little layout for a lot of you that aren't familiar with these vans. And then once I get inside the van and officially turn it on here with the key, 69,314 miles. You can see all the dummy lights working. They all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. We've got our backup camera here. And we've got our, that radio works. We've got our navigation there. And like I mentioned, got the dual climate control, got your heated seats, heated steering wheel. A heated steering wheel will change your life if you've never used one before. Pretty neat. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. I'm going to show you the power mirrors and windows moving up and down here. We'll check the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. Taking these on a road test and done much more. I'm even showing you the back vents back there. My point is, hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. Now as I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, from being up north from the rust belt, and no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume just because the salesman's nice to them on the phone, they assume the van runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. I got news for you folks. Even brand new car dealerships get flooded. So I don't assume things, don't assume it runs and drives good. But what I do want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online? So I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair. Do they show me a Carfax report? So I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and have never been in a flood. Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage? So you can see there's no signs of any water damage in here from a flood, no signs of bent metal from an accident. Do they get on top of an overpass and take pictures of the roof of the vehicle? That's right, there's an overpass down there. I get up on top, check our pictures. I take pictures of the roof of the vehicle. No one else has pictures of the roof of their vehicle. So I hope you can see, when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact van you're getting, please compare us to the competition. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a van that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. Or you get a van that's got a frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection in your state. Either one of those, you just bought a van you can't register, and therefore you bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. This isn't some $50 chain you're buying off the internet. This is a very large purchase. Make sure you get a detailed video. They put their heart and soul into it, like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are expensive. I spend thousands of dollars a month Carfaxing vehicles to make sure I know exactly what I'm getting, and that only benefits you. I demand that, and you should demand the same. Don't settle for the cheap knockoffs. Demand that Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We've gone over this already multiple times. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them come with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let's get the van out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Get that cruise control set. Cruise works good, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Also, do keep in mind we offer a complimentary 90-day warranty, but we do have long-term warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years that are factory type warranties. To protect your investment long-term, talk to me about how you can do so. Also, keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine prints, $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end so they can sneak more money in on you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, and attempts to be 100% transparent with you. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. A nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, direct cell phone to me, the owner, Jeremiah, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you get that live person as that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, Absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. So we're just here to answer your question and get you taken care of. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be detailed as possible. If you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we would love that. But please make sure you make an appointment with me. We are not sitting around all day with nothing to do, with our feet up on the desk. We are always busy. More than happy to spend some time with you though, but you must make that appointment with us. Call or text us to set that up. And if you made, I apologize if you made it to the end of our video, thank you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. See dozens of pictures of every vehicle, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and no hidden fees, all from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country. Again, check us out, mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.